Hey there and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'm gonna show you how to use Zapier with WhatsApp step by step tutorial to automate message and get notifications directly to your phone, whether it is for new emails, leads or from responses. You will be able to connect WhatsApp to your favorite apps. So let's get started. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description box, or maybe it can be in the pinned comments. So first things first, that you have to head over to zapier.com and log in or create a free account. You can use your Google account for a quick sign up. You can just continue. And here we go. Once you are logged in, you can see there is dashboard of Zapier. You will be redirected to the dashboard of it, and now at the top left corner here you can see this option create. From there you can create zaps are basically automated workflows between two or more apps. So just tap on to create zaps. Okay, um let's tap onto it. Now tap on to create zaps, which is automated workflows. In this example, I want to get a WhatsApp message whenever I receive a new email in Gmail. So for the trigger, choose Gmail and set the new email as a trigger event, then connect your Gmail account. So let's type I want to get WhatsApp images. um, I want to get WhatsApp. I want to get WhatsApp messages whenever I receive a new email. Okay, now so for the trigger you have to choose Gmail. Okay, just search for a Gmail and set new email as the trigger option. Like so here you can see, you can select the event. Now set new email as the trigger event, like new emails. Here you can see this, just set it to the trigger event. Now you have to connect your Gmail account. So let's connect to login using our Gmail account. Now let's tap continue again. Now tap allow, and there we go. Now tap on to continue. Now Zapier will test this trigger to ensure it can detect recent files. If it's successful, you will see a green check mark. Okay, now tap continue. So let's tap on to test trigger and it will test your option. Now let's see, as you can see a green check mark, that means it is successful. Now for the action steps, search for WhatsApp by 360 dialog. Let's search for WhatsApp. Maybe it can be like 360. Let's find it. You will I mean, note that Zapier doesn't natively support WhatsApp, so you will need a third-party tool like 360 dialog or Twilio to send messages. Okay, so let's tap on to Twilio. Twilio. Okay, let's search for Twilio if it is available. Okay, let's connect with event. Now as you can see, WhatsApp has not connected it. Just search for Twilio. Let's connect Twilio, and you just have to connect Twilio to your account. Okay, you can also change it, like if you just want WhatsApp notification, you can get WhatsApp notification from here. Okay, and then you have to sign in again, like choose an event like send messages, then you have to choose your account again. Now Zapier will access your WhatsApp notification account, so that you have to enter your OTP code that was sent to WhatsApp. You just have to simply tap on to send pin. You have to enter your number here, and then you have to ask it to send the WhatsApp number. Then you just have to enter the OTP, and simply you will be able to add them. You can also add more steps from here. For example, you can add 360 dialog. Here you can see this 360 dialog. You can also add it, and from there just search for 360 dialog and connect your WhatsApp account to 360 dialog easily, and you can transform your WhatsApp to easily. You can grow with WhatsApp. And Zapier offers a free plan with basic two-step apps like the one we created today. But if you want to build multi-step workflows or access premium feature, the professional plan starts at $19 a month, which you need to bill annually, like you have to pay for the whole year at once. And if you want to go with the monthly fees, then it may cut you some extra charges. Okay, so I will suggest you that if you want to use Zapier for a long time, then you must take the annual subscription, and if you want to just explore it, then you can go with the monthly offer, and then you, depending on your needs, you can transform it later. So this is how you can use Zapier with WhatsApp to automate your messages using AI. This was very simple, so just make sure that you don't make any mistakes. To follow the steps, if needed, then watch the video again and complete the steps correctly. So that's how you can connect WhatsApp to Zapier. And if you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a tutorial. Also, let me know in the comments that what other apps you would like to automate with WhatsApp. And if you want any other automating tools, for example, you want to connect it to your Insta or Twitter, just comment down below and I will make a video on that. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Till then, take care, goodbye, and as always, happy exploring.